are loaded.
Dude. I got high-fived in the face by the dog.
They're fired up. Dude, nice. Oh.
Oh my gosh, are you okay?
Let's go. When you gotta go, you gotta go.
We got here like 6 minutes ago. I was just wondering if that was like a flavor.
Like, it's physically possible, but it's not on the menu.
What did you want?
We'll put it in as chocolate syrup if you like, honestly.
Can I just get a side of barbecue? Because I'm going to try it.
Alright, I will mix it in.
No, don't mix it. No!
Okay, we'll back up.
Okay, just give me a side of barbecue, please. Fish. What's your order on fish?
No fish here, unfortunately.
I want a tuna fish sandwich.
Okay, that's all for us, I guess. If you got no fish, I just want the concretes.
We got no fish, just concrete and barbecue sausage.
Okay,
Perfect.
Yep. Perfect.
Alright, perfect.
What do you do for work by chance?
Oh my god, okay, we're
We'll
pulling
be up
up
there.
now.
Later, Gator.
Barbecue sauce custard?
We ballin'.
Dude, Becco's fire alarm is just going off. Right on, bird.
Oh yeah, brother. Shut it off. Knock it off.
Where's the firefighter?
Petco's absolutely going ham right now. Those dogs are lighting up. Shut it off! That's enough.
He's got the nose guard, so he looks like a clown.
Dude, I don't want my nose to get all stuffed up with dirt.
Dude, this guy in front of us ordered 8 barbecue concretes.
BB Creek.
BB Creeds.
Dude, if they're out of barbecue, I'm gonna lose it.
I asked him what he did for work and he didn't even answer.
Take the hand, dude.
Ask him for a resume because I'm looking to work at Steak and Shake.
Steak and Shake. Freddy's.
Do you guys take Apple Pay?
We do, yeah.
Oh, frick yeah, dude.
Your card's already out.
Yeah, but Apple Pay takes it like directly out of my butt.
Dude, he really did hook it up with the barbecue.
Watch this.
Hey, can I do a steak sandwich? What was that? Can I do a steak sandwich?
Do you guys do steak sandwiches?
What, steak burgers?
Do you guys just do like regular steaks?
If someone just said they want like a steak sandwich but nothing on it, not even the bun, you just give them a steak?
Can I do a steak burger with no bun? No, with no bun.
Yes. I'll pay for it.
Hey, what'd you think of the new Drake album? What'd you think of the new Drake album?
Drake?
Yeah,
What's up?
the new album he just dropped with 21 Savage.
Yeah?
Did you listen to it? Straight bangers, bro.
Hey, I love you. Have a good day.
So wait, you can't do just a steak without the bread?
Yeah, what the heck did you
never
answer?
said anything.
He just scammed you. The fire alarm is going off, not a soul in sight.
Hot chocolate.
Ready to put out this flame. I think maybe we should call the police.
Dude, that bank is behind.
Can we get a large $20 bill?
Can I get it? Is there a couple? Do they take credit?
Can I get a custard, please? Some in and out.
It's hanging out the window.
Sucked it in.
Wait, I've never used an ATM before. How do I do this?
Have you really not?
No,
That's because you live in Levan.
we don't have an ATM, dude.
We're at bank number.
Hey, whoa, whoa, whoa,
Whoa, whoa, whoa! We're at bank number 1 for the
Hold
second
on,
time.
backing up.
Hit that reverse.
Where we going, dog? Where we going?
We're going to some. No, let's go to Vegas. We're going to Vegas.
Just get dialed for the trip.
The mountains are blue.
Mountains are blue, dude. Wait. Go to the Rockies, brother.
We just passed the
I
Grand
just got an
Canyon.
idea. Let's go to Grand Canyon.
Oh my god, how far is the Grand Canyon?
About an hour.
Let's go! It's so dark we could just.
We can just
see it.
look at
hit
it.
Vegas and the Grand Canyon all in one night.
We can just pretend we see the Grand Canyon.
Oh, I see it. Look, it's right there.
Hey, look, right there.
Oh my
Check it
god.
out.
Foot on the pedal, never Air Force metal. If you're running hotter than a boiling kettle, my job ain't a job, it's
guy's a professional. Whoa, whoa, whoa! What you gonna get, dude? I don't even know what that means.
Spanish, dude.
Game over. You didn't win anything.
Dude, what's
Now you lost $1.
still, dude?
That's like a claw machine. You never win.
Win $9 grand.
You guys got food, drinks? Nothing? You good? Okay. Let's go. Go ahead.
These are real games.
Down. Should I just rip one down lane?
Where you get? Oh, there's a ball. I mean, you can't. There's no
Should I
pins
just
down
grab
there.
a ball and rip one down lane empty?
Pull the
Right next
fire
to the
one.
fire alarm.
Oh, dude, I wouldn't.
Petco's gonna start on fire.
Oh, God.
Big winner. What are you gonna win? Just bet them all.
Do I not pull the handle?
Dude, what'd you win? You won $5. We're professionals.
What the F's going on?
Look, you got the cash out button, so I wonder what's cashed out.
He's addicted already. Look at this guy.
I'm gonna win $1 million right here. I don't even. They just gave me $1.
Dude, I had $5 to win back.
Rip.
Dang,
Let's see that dude. Let's see that dude. Look, hey, how do I do this?
Just
I'm doing that. I don't know what that does. There we go. Wait, how do I do this? Game over. I didn't even do it.
What'd you
Let's
win?
see what I won, folks. $1.50. I'm the winner.
No way!
I beat everybody.
You're still going.
Racked it up. Cash it out.
How do I do that? Where's the cash out? Right there. That's gonna give me like 70 cents. Dude, go cash out, man.
You won 360.
5 cents.
Oh my gosh. $3.60.
I haven't even.
She's going for it.
Oh.
Maybe do that.
Wait, so how do you
How
do you play this one?
Spin that sucker. No, don't break it.
Do that. Yeah, do that.
Oh, no way.
If you win like $2, I'm gonna be so mad.
Oh, you won
Oh,
that.
do it again. Do like the times one. I don't know.
Let's see that one.
550, the
Winner.
big winner of the night.
You just gotta be.
Okay, what do I do?
Oh, I won 20 cents.
Dude, I won nothing.
I got 20 cents on my
Watch.
Did you get a bonus?
This is the lucky spin, I promise. Oh, told you. I got nothing.
You literally went from 5 cents to nothing.
Check that out. Nothing. 670. Wait. I have $8.20.
Bro, and what did you start with?
$20. I call that a success.
Are you doubting? Oh,
$2.05 from 20 and a 10.
This magic.
What's going on? Do you know what's going on? What is it? Explain it.
3 of a kind. Okay, so these are your hands right here.
Dude, Yahtzee.
These are your hands right here. So on the board, so far you have a 2 pair of 4s right now. So right here, this guy's got a pair, everyone's got a pair of 4s. So right there you got trips. And you're gonna look for 2s, 3s, that's the highest card. So 9, you're gonna look for the highest card here. So no one has a 9.
He's just making stuff up.
No one has a 9.
Well, we lost a member. They asked for the IDs and Ben had to split. And now she's won nothing. Well, we lost $80.
we got 20.
20 back.
Actually, we lost because we got 50 cents, so we lost. Like,
Do the math. Come on.
I don't do that.
Good time.
Dude, what did she say when I
Hey, nothing. What happened in there, boss?
Well,
She came and started asking for ID, so I was like,
She gave me a weird code too, and I thought I was in trouble.
Here you go. That's for you.
Well, what do I
Let's go buy some custard.
This whole thing
Mikey.
started with a custard, huh? Arizona! We're out.
Dude, we gotta go to picture.
Dude, we're back. We're back in the motherland. What are the chances we get out and get a picture by the Utah sign?
we hit the rumble strip.
Oh!
Let us square up.
There she is.
Let's go.
There she is.
Too bad we don't have the
Let's get a
pitters, dude.
pic.
We made it back, boys.
Smell like cigarettes. That's what's up.
Where's the... What? Oh, jeez. I'm not, and I'm still gonna trip up these stairs.
I have matches.
Dude, I got matches too, bro.
We're fired up this morning.
Let's go.
We got a good 4 hours of sleep.
No.
We're ready to do some racing. She's barking this morning.
Prime race day breakfast.
Of champions.
These boys. They're something else, people.
Do they hold the door open for us?
Question of the day. Oh!
Oh. Already?
One piece. One
Okay, so
people.
how much is it per person?
It's $40 to ride and $10 to get in, dude.
Well, I don't
So,
have a 10, so
guess what?
Here's 60.
I have a 10 in my wallet, babe.
How many riders we got? 3? We got 3 riders.
3 riders
I have
and 2
asthma.
spectators.
You have autism?
Who's Austin? Honestly, dude, why didn't we bring stands? And the Farm MX van, dude.
Dude, I have like 10 of those.
Look, he's got it on the stand. Dude, we stand no chance of this.
We really don't.
You might as well go
These
home.
guys are sweats. I brought my modded controller.
Oh, is that Swap Moto live? Unbelievable.
And they wanted us to race this.
It's nipply.
It's nipply.
Oh my god, that's gonna take my breath away. I don't know if I want to do that, but
I'll just...
I'm not jumping a single thing on this track.
So this enduro section right over here, pretty sick. Just pull out to the rock.
No, I'm jumping that, but that rhythm section is not.
Look, these guys are already getting up ready to ride.
Maybe we should go get our bikes.
I want that thing. That thing's sick.
We're rolling out. We're gonna
Oh my god, is that Chase Brown?
There he is. Is it really?
You ready?
He's ready to go.
I'm gonna crap my pants.
he's just happy to be here.
Yeah, just take her easy.
They're lined up for practice. You ready for this practice? Are you ready?
Oh yeah.
How are you feeling?
I'm just here.
How are you feeling about this? Boys are lined up, getting ready for the first practice. We'll see how it goes. Lined up, ready to go.
Exact speed, but I'm just way heavier, dude.
Look, you got a casualty.
I'm gonna have to hit the Rocky after this so we can go
practice.
cruise after.
For real, dude. First practice of the year.
First and last.
That sucks.
How's the track?
We should do desert races.
That's what I'm thinking. We should just do a quick desert
Did we even
loop.
bring any water?
No.
I think so. Oh my gosh.
way, the man himself. The real man.
First gate drop will be
Unbelievable. We got some big names out here right now.
You spanked the butt.
Fired up. Me and Ben, we're gonna take probably last and
Dude, I'm getting at least top 10, man.
Out of 11 riders.
I'm gonna swap somebody out.
Hey, do a burnout.
Yeah, just leave it here. Look at this guy.
Alright, I'm gonna start up my dirt bike now. Here goes. A dirt bike rider, dirt bike rider, dirt bike rider, dirt bike rider. Wait, yeah.
How'd that last one go?
I straight wadded. You got blood on the glove.
You're missing a thumb?
My thumb's gone, something on the track, thumb fell off. I stuffed that famous YouTuber who was on a bike. I stuffed him on purpose. I don't know what his name is. What's the famous YouTuber?
We're doing a quick tire change. Yeah! That was sick!
Third gear, just hold it, and it kicks you, but you just keep, did you hear me? No, 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 and it like lands it perfect.
That's sick.
But no. That was sick! How you like that?
That was sick, dude. We're here to do the National Pit Bike Hill Climb Challenge. This one's steep, so.
Well, he fell at his only hill climb.
I'm stuck.
We're going to check out a different one. got a low rider. Yeah! Look at these faggots. Where's he going? I hope he hits the side of a trailer.
There's just pit bikes everywhere.
There's a good little jump over there. You get some good little distance. Where at? It's over by the field.
All right, he's going for the world record pit bike jump attempt. Not really. He would die. He's going for the sick ledge climb. Nope. Not that time. Here he goes. Oh! Climbs the ledge. Going for a little double action. Easy.
Bro, that was easy.
Oh. Easy. Your turn.